Input tax credit set off against liability and tax payment. GST set off and GST payment. In Tally Prime, when you do sales and purchase, the sales tax amount is shown in GSTR 1 and purchase is shown in GSTR 2 and overall shown in GSTR 3. We will come in GSTR 3 and we will click F12 and then we will select yes and then we will select condensed or detail. For now we are selecting condensed. Then see what it is showing. Here this is a taxable amount, means this is sales value without GST, and on that IGST, CGST and this all has. So this is IGST, CGST, SGST from sales and this is from purchase. So here in this question, first CGST will automatically be set off by Tally. SGST will also be set off by Tally automatically because and after setting off also ITC will be available, but for IGST there is no ITC. Therefore, the remaining balance of ITC of CGST and SGST will be used in here. So what we will do? Tally automatically set off, and we have to do the rest of things. So Tally will set off this with this with this, and there will be a remaining balance of this and those remaining balance we will set off with this. So what we will do? Tally automatically do set off. We just have to do the payment. This. So we have to come in payment, we have to select Ctrl F, autofill, start payment, GST, regular, date. Then here we have seen there that CGST and IGST will be set off by their self ITC, and there will be ITC left for CGST and SGST. So those ITC of CGST and SGST will be set off against IGST. Therefore, what we will do? IGST debit. We will put the amount. Which is showing here 11760. Then SGS. Enter. Then SGST. See. See, here SGS, here we have written debit, and here debit means asset, SGST asset, so we do not have to pay SGST. We will do credit here. 6930. Debit. CGST also debit balance, means it is our asset. Therefore, no payment of CGST. We will use its ITC to pay IGST. Therefore, voucher. Control F starting register GST. So what we will do first, we will write down all the things in our copy, like say here input, सेल्स आउटपुट, सेल्स गया आउटपुट गया तो आउटपुट जीएसटी, परचेज इनपुट, परचेज आया इनपुट जीएसटी। सो सेल्स से ये सब टैक्स लाइबिलिटी आया, परचेज से ये है तो सेल्स और परचेज, इससे ये सॉर्ट ऑफ कि ये बचा, इससे ये सॉर्ट ऑफ कि ये बचा, ये दोनों एसेट है, ये अभी भी लाइबिलिटी है। फिर इससे ये सेट ऑफ किए, इससे ये सेट ऑफ किए, ये बैलेंस पेबल, ये और देना बचा है। तो अब हम इसी को अब टैली में सेट ऑफ करेंगे। पहले अपन को GSTR 3B में जाके ये जो अमाउंट है ये नोट कर लेंगे कॉपी में और फिर सेट ऑफ कर देंगे। यही तरीके से करना है सेट ऑफ। यहाँ पे भी सेम वैसे ही है। पहले ये अपना है सेल्स का, सेल्स मतलब आउटपुट, तो आउटपुट माइनस इनपुट, इनपुट परचेज, तो सेट ऑफ करना है। तो सेट ऑफ के लिए कहाँ जाएंगे? फॉर सेट ऑफ वी विल गो ऑन वाउचर, देन वी विल सेलेक्ट F5, then we will select Control F, autofill stack payment GST regular date. Here we will select IGST. We have to pay all the IGST 11760. Credit. We have CGST and HGST this much. Therefore CGST we will write 4830, 4830. SGST we will write 4830. So this is the, I think, first step where first we will go on GSTR 3B, then we will do this thing, and after doing this thing we will do this, and after that, oh, this is payable, so we will write here one more time IGST. So this is matched, IGST we have to pay, Control A. We have filled this. Now enter. Wait, that set of thing is done on journal. That set of thing is done in journal, not in F5. So first, so I will revise you all the thing. First GSTR 3B, then we will do, then we will solve this, and then we will pass that entry in journal voucher, and after that, like here IGST payable was coming 2100, then for that payment we will go on F5, Control F. Now we will pay the GST.